Can you wear what you want in India?
There is a gentleman, can't call him gentleman, has today said rapes increasing because of women's clothing. कपड़े दूसरे पहने तो भी उनको दिक्कत है. Moral policing भी करेंगे और thought policing भी करेंगे.
This is the second episode of What Can You, a series where I tell you what you can eat, speak, and wear in India. Clothing is a powerful means to express one's ideology. Whether it's religious, political, or social, it has the power to either show support or revolt. Remember how freedom fighters in India burned English imports? It was the OG Make in India movement. Politicians across the world also take utmost care of what they wear because it's not just fashion statement for them but almost always a message that is sent to the world. While Mussolini chose regimental attire to showcase discipline, Indira Gandhi chose Banarsi saris and handlooms to remind the world about the Indian craftsman. Thus events like the Met Gala and Cannes, a cultural potpourri becomes more about who's wearing what than the actual event.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो बंदा टर्बन बांधता है वो महाराजा है. वो एनीबॉडी कोई भी महाराजा. हमें जो गुरुजी ने टर्बन दी है इसीलिए कि आप किसी से अपने आप को कम मत फील करें.
Last year, when a self-taught fashion designer and influencer Nancy Tyagi walked on the Cannes red carpet for the first time, it was a message that was sent to many small-town girls that they can dream as well.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरा ड्रीम भी नहीं था इतना बड़ा, तो जिधर मैं अभी खड़ी हूँ ये आउटफिट मैंने खुद ही बनाया है. ये मेरा ही डिजाइन है.
Icons like Nancy probably can't change it overnight, but did give confidence to many who still have to fight over a piece of clothing. I come from a small town where I have seen women, including my sister, fighting with the family just to be allowed to wear a jeans. It's too Western, she was told multiple times. A woman's body has acted as a political ground for centuries, and men tried controlling it under the garb of society for long. You are judged for what you wear, how you wear it, and where you wear it. While Diljit wore his pride with religion and heritage at the core, Nancy challenged a core cultural notion prevalent in small town families through her appearances at the world stage. However, both of them send the same message to the world. You are truly free only when what you wear expresses who you are.